manpower.
The report for the ongoing feasibility exercise on expansion of Shillong Airport is likely to be submitted in the next 3 months. Commissioner and Secretary of the Transport Department, Sanjay Goyal, said that the survey work has already started and they expect to get some information on the feasibility exercise within 3 months. The survey would indicate whether there is any aspect of expansion of the airport or not. Meanwhile, Goyal also informed that the government has received interest from some operators who are willing to connect Shillong with somewhat cities, and right now pre-bid discussions are going on.
The next 3 months' time, we should be getting some information and report on the same from the airport authority. It's a very detailed survey which will give us the feasibility aspect of the expansion, whether it is possible or not possible, and in what manner, if it is possible, in what manner it can be done. Once we get some concrete inputs from them in terms of their commitment towards running into these routes, we will get back to you. So we're looking for maybe daily connectivity to New Delhi, Bombay, and down south, keeping in mind the potential of the tourism potential. A lot of tourists we do get from the South Indian parts, maybe Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore. These are the routes which are there in our mind.
The Nigram's Bihu